Hi, in this video I will show you app for converting Excel file to DBF file, and this is my website. I will leave link on this site in the description. To find the app I can type in search XLS because old Excel file extension to DBF, and here it is. I'll click on it, double click on the download button to start downloading process, and wait until file will be downloaded on my computer. So it will download archive with installation in it. So after archive downloaded, I'll just click on archive and double click on MSI to start installation. Click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. And now I can close this. You can see app has been installed on my computer. I can minimize this and this one. Yep. So I'll double click on it and launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process, like first step, second step, third step. In first step I'll have to select Excel file. I'll click here to select Excel file. I have this Excel file, my contacts. I can open it to show you what is inside. So inside first row is column names, like in table, first row column names, and then all data in it. So my goal is to create DBF file with fields, names from these columns, and all data in it. So close this and let's open this file. Click on next step. First row of my file has column names. It's correct, right? First row has column names, so I will use data from first row as column names. Next step and run conversion. Click on run, and here I have to specify name of the file and location. So this name of the file, location is okay. Just click save. File has been saved. Let's go and see file, and I can open with DBF Viewer. So DBF Viewer is another app that I created. It will show everything that DBF has. You can see that all column names are here. This column name is cut because DBF is not allowed to have more than 11 characters into column. So I have to cut column name because the DBF is old format, and back then they have this restriction that DBF field name shouldn't be more than 11 characters. So this is why I have to cut a long name and create some kind of unique name. So this DBF Viewer is also free app. I will leave link on this into description. It shows contents of the file, and it also allow me to export into some different format DBFs. So yeah, basically this is it. I have all my data here with all fields and everything. Yeah, and I have my DBF file. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Basically that's it. Thank you.